Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Galaxy is powered online and signed into your Samsung account. Once done, open Settings and verify location and Find My Mobile are enabled. Make sure remote controls and Google location permissions are active so the device can report coordinates. Next, prepare the access point. Use a laptop or secondary phone and sign into Find My Mobile. Samsung. Com with the same Samsung ID. This establishes the control channel you'll use to query the device and issue location requests immediately. You sign into Find My Mobile and select the Galaxy you want to locate. Once selected, click Locate My Device to send an immediate GPS request. Wait for the server to return coordinates, then verify the point on the map and check the timestamp to ensure it's recent. If accuracy looks off, refresh the location and review the reported battery percentage and network type, because low power or poor signal will degrade accuracy. Make sure you understand those factors before moving to action like navigation or remote commands. You decide next steps based on the return position. Use play sound to locate nearby, lock with a message to secure the device, or wipe if recovery is impossible. If the device doesn't respond, confirm the Samsung account remains signed in and the phone has cellular or Wi-Fi. Make sure location services were not turned off. As a troubleshooting tip, try toggling the device's network or ask someone with physical access to reboot it. Often a reconnect restores location, reporting, and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.